2 minutes later, we had that saw out there just freaking pounding it.
Well, I don't think it was a saw, it was the compactor.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Maybe try flipping your bucket around.
Are you going to say that on every one of these?
Yes. Right here. Oh! Holy.
How come it lifted the whole boat? That's a bad thing, Kate.
I had a buy last week. Where I almost hit the machine last week.
Oh.
Yeah, like that. Just like that. Well, mine went for it. It went
Down on the nose.
It did. Zach was in the 550 and I had to hurry and drop it back. Don't go evil, Will. There, I see it.
I heard. I talked to Drew about that.
Woo!
Yeah!
Santa!
I know him! Yeah, we are in Pleasant Grove, bro.
Want to go take a break? Go get water or something?
Yeah, I'll go wash up. Making a rock garden. Can you just hold that? Watch out, open.
Watch out.
Excuse me.
That's fine.
Love asphalt. They don't run in water.
This seems like a multi-campaign.
I went through one.
What's that?
I went through one. One at your side? Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, Troy dug around and so the water will come.
Oh, sweet.
There she goes.
Oh, shit.
Start swinging. Good.
I've never seen a hydrant like that.
Trevor.
What?
That's crazy.
Little more. Right there.
That's a 5 there. What you need? I had it set up right here. What's your problem? Here. We can go hook that diffuser up, and then we can start to try to see if this is gonna.
You got sand in that?
You know, the average truck, the whole frame.
Do this like a sweet demonstration. Hey, this is all you need. Oh yeah, dude. That's a great.
Time to lay some pipe?
Time to lay some pipe, fellas.
Lay it right. Okay, you want to back up?
Yep.
There we go.